Hey friends, if you wish to remove Yahoo search from Chrome in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select extensions and click on manage extensions. In most probability, Yahoo search extension would be installed or any other similar VPN extension which is pushing Yahoo as the search engine. You can remove it, disable it and remove it. Now the reason I'm saying this is because no one uses Yahoo as a search engine by default these days, and if they do they would know it. But yes, still click on the three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Now search first the word search here. Okay, and then you can click on change corresponding to the search engine and change it to Google or something else. Don't keep it at Yahoo India, keep it at Google or something else. I mean, it's Yahoo India in my case, it could be something else in your case, like Yahoo USA or Yahoo UK or something. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.